Hello friends, welcome to Genius Education. The topic is here the preamble of our India. Let's know the different fact about the preamble. The preamble of our India is the identity card of our constitution. N.A. Palkiwala, as an eminent jurist and constitutional expert at the time when the constitution was making. And it is the preamble means you can see the different factors about these things. Preamble says, "We the peoples of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure all its citizens, which has justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, these things." Okay, justice yani which is very equal for all, social, economic and political justice, and liberty of the thought, of expression, belief, faith and worship. The equality says status, which is equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them for all. And fraternity, which is assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitution Assembly, this 6th day of the November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. These things we mentioned here and we discussed all of these things. Let's know the what are the significance of the preamble, यानी let's know हम जानते हैं what are the importance of these things. The preamble embodies the basic philosophy and fundamental values like political, morals and religious on which the constitution is based on. It contained the grand and noble vision of the Constituent Assembly. It reflects the dreams and aspirations of the founding father of the Constitution. It provides a key to the understanding and interpretation of the Constitution. These are the different facts and amendability of the preamble. Can we amend that or not? Let's know what is the amendability of the preamble. The fact is here whether the preamble can be amended under Article 368 or not. This question, which was arose for the first time in Kesavananda Bharati case 1973. In this case, Supreme Court held that the preamble is the part of the Constitution and can be amended subject to the condition that no amendment is done to the basic features of the Constitution, which was laid the provisions by the Supreme Court. The preamble has been amended only once so far in 1976 by 42nd Amendment Act, which is Constitutional Amendment Act, which added 3 new words: socialist, secular and integrity. These 3 things. This amendment was held to be valid. Okay, or that is valid. Thank you.